All right, so I'll have to be honest. Here is where I have some decisions to make, and I'm gonna rely on you guys. This is my aftermarket grill, and we all know how aftermarket grills go. It's not the Angry Eyes, it's called the Shark, but it's one of those where it does have a look to it. It changes it a little bit, and now with these Morimoto lights, I think it looks pretty sharp. However, I still have my factory grill, and I'm gonna go back to it and install that next. So you guys are gonna tell me which one I'm gonna keep on my Jeep. I think I already know, but let's get that other grill on there and show you. So here is the aftermarket grill with the stock lights, and it looks okay, but here is the aftermarket Morimoto bulbs with the stock grill. What a huge difference. I think these Morimoto bulbs were exactly what I needed. Jeep's out of the garage. Now I'm looking to you. Tell me what you think. Is it the aftermarket lights and the stock grill, or is it the stock lights and the aftermarket grill? I think it's a pretty easy decision, but leave a comment, let me know. Also like, comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. That way you know when I release the video for the installation of these Morimoto headlights and Morimoto fog lights. They are an awesome brand with awesome quality gear. That video is coming soon. Thanks for watching.